This trade was also profitable. Price is hitting the support line zone right now. I think we're highly likely to receive the pullback from here. So that's why I have opened buy position, wasting our $45 right now. Okay, so the first trade is profitable one. We have $81 on the account and we are ready to move forward. Investment amount to $80 and to open sell position. Why did we do this? First of all, because we are very close right now to the middle line of the counter channel. As you can see, the previous times we were trying to get closer to it. Sometimes we were seeing the pullback reaction, sometimes not, but we could not break through it. Now we are too close to it. Okay, so here we are going down. We're in a sharp declining channel, but as you can see, price is oversold as fuck right now. So that's why we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction, and that's why I have opened buy position and wasting our $100. Still, we have around $54 left on the account. This is our hedge asset. Okay, so it's close. We have $246 in the account. And let me open buy position here. As you can see, according to the Supertrend indicator, we're in the strong buy zone right now. According to the Williams, we are overbought, but not so much. We still have some space for the current growth. So that's why I have opened buy position here, because according to my thoughts, by the way, my friends, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG. Here you will find best signals, best indicators, and educational materials that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, you will be able to join the same kind of online trading sessions and get the same amount of money each day, daily, yourself, my friends. If you want to be a billionaire, millionaire, it's absolutely easily, but we're highly likely to break it through. Moreover, Supertrend indicator is telling us that we're in the buy zone. According to the Williams, yep, I would agree that we are overbought. But still, all the market structure right now, this trade was also profitable. As you can see, price is going down right now. We're in the descending channel. According to the Supertrend, we're in the sell zone. According to the Williams oscillates, we're oversold, but still. Yep, so it's done. We have $936 on the account. This is a very nice, amazing result. If you remember, we started with just $45 and we have made around 20 times more. So, my friends, if you want to have the same kind of results, it's absolutely possible. Just open right now description to this video and use the link below to subscribe to my private TG, where you will get access to all of this. See you all and bye-bye.